here it come. Here it come.
Here you come. Don't break my motherfucking steering column. Go ahead and make a fart real quick. I heard it too. You got to take the steering wheel off.
Bullshit.
Okay.
You gotta take steering wheel off, get them cars we driving.
Okay.
I got Doc's car, didn't have to do it.
Okay.
Man, what the fuck?
Number one, you doing it extremely wrong anyway.
Okay, well,
Cause you gotta go in head first. You gotta go in head first. You put that first leg in, you're going head first, but you gotta take that steering wheel off.
And then take head.
Yep.
You saying walking now, that's what you saying.
Just like that, and then lean down and put your head in. There you go.
Hold the bar.
Oh, you can hold the bar. There you go. Get on down in there. There you go. Now you're doing it right now. I don't know how you're going to get out. There you go. You in almost. Oh, we need some grease. Woo!
Holy, with steering wheel.
Holy shit! Now, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. Can't get that other Can't get that other leg in. You know this, brother. This is so going on Facebook. Oh, let me hold the door for you. I'm going to hold the door for you. Oh.
I got fart. I'm in. Okay. Dog killer in the fast car.
Woo! This is the funniest shit ever.
Go get his L. Go get his L. Tell his I got.